Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple Excel files together. This is an activity which I was trying to do for a long time. I was trying to learn how to merge two data sets. The challenge in panel data is that sometimes there are many columns that you need to move from one file to another file, and you need to match the country names and the year. But the challenge with the panel data and the secondary data is sometimes country names are not same across the data files. So when you merge it blindly, sometimes some of the data is lost, or sometimes it is matched with the wrong country name. For example, a country, if it is Korea and there are two names, Korea Democratic Republic and Korea Republic. So if you do filtering, that you remove everything after the comma, then the two Koreas will become identical and it will be impossible to determine which data is which. So I made a responsive setup so that first of all I will merge the file and then have a look if there is missing or not. First of all, what I did is in my left hand side is the new data file that I want to make. I have hidden the columns which are already there. What I then next needed was to move these data columns. There are 200 variables. I need to move it here. The problem was that if I use R or Python, then they do not directly, what you call it, match the countries if they are not same. So it will miss some of the countries. So what I did in this file, I will show. First of all, I applied this command. So if we look up and first of all I made cross IDs in both data file, and they both are this is permanent, but this has a formula. So it is country name and underscore and here, so it's a data. I match this with this cross ID. So in this data file the formula is VLOOKUP A3. So since I will go right, so I fix the A, but I can go down. So I didn't add a dollar with 3. Then the other data file, all the columns from this box to the right end, and then if it is 0, then I should show it empty, because sometimes there are cells empty, and then not. If they're not, then I should show the data file. So same code. Problem was that since there are 300 columns, so excluding this there are 299 variables. I need to make sure that the column number also changes. So I added one row on the top and added the column number, so it comes as bi $1. So I need to fix it going down, so I added a dollar with here. uh, so that it when I go down it still stays 1, but it can go towards right. That's why dollar is not on this side. So then I dragged it this side and then down, so all the data was imported from this side to this. Then what I did, I looked at like this and have a look. I knew that this data is missing in most of the countries, but I looked for the variable which is least missing, like the first two. Then I located, for example, country which does not have a data here. First of all, for a first example that I can show is that which one was missing. So this Cabo Verde was actually here Cape Verde. So what I did, I came down and changed the spelling of the country name. For example, another example was the this variable Bahamas. So if I go here, you will see it will either the data is not there or if it is missing. So we will try to do the practice. So you can see most of the data should be there, but it is missing. So it is repeating from the above value, from the last value. So this is activities here. So the Bahamas underscore 2000 is not matching. Why? Because it is Bahama underscore D. So what I will do here, I will remove the D from here, and when I move it down for all the countries, it will load the data here. So this way data is updated for Bahamas D. So if you come here, So these variables are here and this is here. So this way when I go down, I will have a look if some other variables are missing. So this way I will update all the variables. And so this file is responsive, so that whenever I find some of the country is not there, I will go in this file and check the spelling of the country. If they are not correct, I will sort it down and then move the country here. So I will go down during this video, have a look if there is another issue. If not, then this file will be complete and it will be ready to use. Next thing that you can do is you can highlight all of the new data and paste them as values so that it can be sorted. So in this example, see, there is another problem for this country. The variables are repeating. So I will come down. It's Czech Republic. So let's go down in the other file. So if we go to the Czech Republic, so it is saying that it is not picking up the data because the data was from 1990. So it is picking from 2015. So let's have a look. So it's country name. Okay, so I need to check if the country name is this. So we will make sure the country name is same. I will copy the country name from here. Okay, and then paste it for all the cases. So when I update the file and press save, it will add the data. So this is the way you can merge the data file. I'm in front of you going down the file and making sure if I can find other issues. So I hope you can understand and you have seen the formula. So you can merge the panel data files from different sources in a one file so that you can do a big data analysis. Thank you very much for watching. Do share your queries and I will try to sort it down in future videos. Thank you.